So what do you say, let's go? This is the view. We've come all the way from there to here.
So hello wanderers, welcome to our video and we wish you a very happy new year. Hope 2022 will be very successful for all of you.
So first of all, we would like to thank you guys for an overwhelming support that you showed for our first video. We hit 1000 views within the first 24 hours.
That's a milestone for us considering this is our first video.
Please do continue supporting the channel and all our future videos. We are still a small family and I would like to grow it to a big family, and that will not be possible without your support. Please do like, share and subscribe all our videos.
Where are we going this weekend, Rita?
Don't you know?
No.
Do you guys know? Stay tuned till the end. So hi guys, finally we have made it, and sorry to keep you guys guessing for so long, but it's time to reveal the place, and I'll just show you guys where we are currently, and then you'll get an idea of which place we are in. So this is where we are.
I got time. It's clear to see.
So this is Desia Resort, which is in Odisha.
From up here.
Our destination is Dudduma Waterfalls.
Chalo guys, I'll be showing you the room. Oh my god, this is crazy. See the concept they have. Oh, this is amazing. too beautiful for a 10. Preserve nature, reduce plastic use. That is the slogan of this video now.
So hey guys, I've just made it, and this is the view as you can see. So now what do you say, let's just go down, right? So this is it, let's go. We've reached midway, you can see behind me. Half more to go. And someone's waiting for us at the end of the line. Finally made it back. Hi.
Finally.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Hey guys, so like I've told you guys, we are currently in Desia resort in Odisha, and I thought I'll give you a better idea of the resort, but who better to explain that than the locals themselves. So over to them.
Sometimes you need to go.
Hi, good morning to all of you. So I am managing Desia Resort Eco Resort from 2010. It is continuing. So we are running here community-based tourism, sustainable tourism, also responsible tourism. Yeah. So all these staffs here, they belongs to different villages nearby, and all we are working here. And we are running here tourism, DJ resort. We are running here tourism, and also we are running here different types of social works. There are a lot of activities that we do here around here. So you can stay here 7 nights, and every day you will enjoy. There is something different every day, different things that we will see, you will enjoy. Yeah, and it is in the forest, Desia Eco Resort.
Thor icha korike sang sapiki dhorike desare asun sir. Namaskar.
Hello wanderers. So yeah, in this video we have covered everything that you need to know about Dudduma Waterfalls and everything that you could explore on the way while going to Dudduma Waterfalls. And trust me, Odisha is such a beautiful place.
This is the first time we've come to Odisha and we were mind blown. So if you have never been to Odisha, please do check it out. It is a beautiful destination. And also in this video we have covered Desia Resort. Please do check them out. They are a resort for a cause and they support ecotourism and they are supporting the local tribal community. As always, please do like, share and subscribe for more content such as this. And please do tag along with us for more adventures. Every weekend is a new adventure, so please do tag along.
To all of you, Happy New Year!
So there you have it, guys. From our entire Rugged Wanderer family, we wish you a very happy new year and hope you have a prosperous 2022. Off to the next adventure. See you guys.